We are back at the O2 Intercontinental in Greenwich, London for Britain and Ireland Marketplace 2025. This event showcases the best of British and Irish product. I'm back with my mini mic, so let's go around, have a little chat to people and see what they're getting up to. I am here with Anna from McConnell's Irish Whisky. Welcome. So first of all, can you tell me a little bit about McConnell's and what you guys do and your product?
Yes, so I work with McConnell's Distillery. We're the newest visitor attraction to Belfast. We've just taken over A-Wing at the Crumlin Road Jail and transformed it into a state-of-the-art whisky distillery and visitor experience.
Wonderful. So my first question for you today is, what are the drinks trends for 2025? Do you have any insights or any trends that you can let us know about?
Well, for us, we find that Irish whisky, which is often known as a bit of an old man's drink, we've seen that this is being turned upside down. We find it's a lot of young women are exploring Irish whisky, and a lot of people are experimenting with Irish whisky in cocktails as a way to get into that spirit.
Fantastic. I think I have to try it. I've never tried it before.
Yeah,
so
maybe
it's my drink.
Yeah, we have a really good cocktail experience at the distillery, so that's a perfect way to
that
get into Irish whisky.
That would be my perfect kind of way in, I think, a
Brilliant,
cocktail.
Yeah.
So my second question for you is, what is on your travel bucket list for 2025? Anywhere you want to visit?
My travel bucket list at the top is Japan, so I'd love to visit Japan, and it's on the list every single year, and it keeps getting pushed back, but hopefully someday I'll get there.
Definitely. Is there anywhere else in Asia you've been to before? Or?
Thailand. And that's about the height of it, I think,
yeah.
So never further.
Definitely go to Japan, do a little trip.
I'd love
and see
to,
some
yeah.
places. My final question is, have you got one surprising fact maybe about McConnell's Irish Whisky or about the distillery?
Yeah, so McConnell's Irish Whisky, for anyone who knows about Irish Whisky, it is supposed to be spelled with an E in the word whisky. For us, we don't have the E, so it's McConnell's Irish Whisky without the E. And the reason for that is McConnell's Irish Whisky dates back to 1776, so that actually predates the introduction of the E, which was brought into Irish whisky spelling to differentiate us from Scotch whisky. So lots of people ask us that, what about the E? And the reason is our brand predates that.
Do you get tired having to answer that question?
No, I love it because people think they're tripping us up, but
and
they're really not.
And they remember you as well,
yeah,
which
exactly.
is really good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a brilliant fact. Thank you so much.
No
I hope
problem.
you have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too.